Hi, this is Dr. Sticks. What I'm sharing you is a site of a grocery store here in Micronesia, wherein they got all the Philippine products, especially sinigang mix, they have magic sarap, Copico, of course, Ajinomoto, and they also magic syrup here. Magic syrup is being sold here, and of course, crispy fry, so good products, and lots more. So, of course, they got the duck, vinegar, sugar duck, and other things, but panluto talaga, like, the dato puti again. Now, they also have UFC ketchup, they, which Filipinos really like it. And then they got all this page of front ketchup, UFC ketchup, and they have also Fiesta. They, I think it's fruit salad. Okay, for the salad, of course, jasmine green, okay, licon, okay, and then coconut milk product, okay, and then all this stuff, yeah, four seasons, the content, four season drinks, and they can also red horse here. They are sold in boxes. Now it's $1 per can, and $20 per case. Goodbye. Goodbye here in Pohnpei, and then on the snacks they have Kobe. They have these all these are fake. Like of course they have these onion rings. They all Philippine products. Of course we have the butter cookies. My favorite butter cream. They're Rufisco, these are all crackers, and then Tacaraya, of course. Tacaraya, and then Pohnpei also here. And of course, we've got these taglets.